Hi, I'm Shubham, founder of Greta. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate the feedback workflow component into your GoHighLevel funnel using PLG OS. Let's get started. First, log into PLG OS and go to Templates. Select Feedback Workflow and create a new campaign. Next, choose the no-code format. Go to the Code tab and copy the snippet provided. Now open your GoHighLevel funnel builder. In the Tracking Code section, paste the copied snippet. To control the feedback component, add a custom class to the button where you want the feedback form to open or close. Then add a small code snippet that uses window.changeStatus to trigger the component based on that class. Once that's set up, save your changes and preview the funnel. You'll now see the feedback workflow live on your site. Try submitting a response through the component. This will let you track analytics and submissions directly inside PLG OS. To customize the look and feel, go back to your campaign in PLG OS. Edit the content, apply a theme, and click Publish. Now refresh your GoHighLevel funnel, and you'll see the updated feedback component instantly applied. And that's it. You've successfully integrated the feedback workflow into your GoHighLevel funnel using PLG OS. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us anytime. See you in the next one.